Let me say something most creators don't like to hear. Your videos are probably not failing because the content is bad. They're failing because nobody clicks. You could spend hours editing, scripting, perfecting every second of your video, and it still dies the moment it's uploaded, simply because the thumbnail didn't earn the click. Right now, YouTube rewards one thing: attention. Before someone hears your voice, before they see your editing, before they judge your value, they make a decision in under a second. Click or scroll. Now pause for a second and look at these thumbnails. You don't know the full video. You don't know the story. Yet something about them pulls you in. That's not luck. Here's the mistake most creators make. They design thumbnails based on what they think looks good. But the thumbnails that win are designed based on what gets clicked. And by the end of this video, I'll show you the exact tool I use to make thumbnails that actually get clicks. Because once you have that, everything else becomes simpler. You don't need complex design skills. You don't need years of experience. You just need the right ideas executed fast and consistently. Good thumbnails don't try to say everything. They focus on one clear idea, one emotion, one reason to click. And once you understand this, the whole process becomes simpler and faster. So instead of overthinking thumbnails every single time, let me show you a simpler way to actually create them. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. You'll see 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated a Mr. Beast thumbnail I liked. I copied the thumbnail link, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here, you can choose high or low creativity. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. Then pick the style: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate, and the tool gives you a clean, recreated version of that thumbnail. Same structure, but refreshed. Next is Face Swap. I wanted to replace Messi's face with Mr. Beast in this thumbnail. So I uploaded the thumbnail, selected Mr. Beast's face, clicked Save and Continue, then uploaded Messi's face. After hitting Generate, Supabix instantly created a precise, realistic face swap. No manual editing required. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. In this feature, you can either write a detailed prompt yourself or get one from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give Supabix your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Then click Generate, and it turns your idea into a full thumbnail. Here's the prompt that generated this one. Next is the Edits feature. Upload the thumbnail you want to adjust. Describe the exact changes you want. For example, adding text like, "Don't cut wrong." Click Generate, and it updates the thumbnail cleanly and accurately. Straightforward and effective. And finally, multi-image edit. Here I wanted to add a fire trail behind this bike. All I did was upload the bike image, upload the fire trail, and describe how I wanted them combined. Supabix merges them perfectly and makes the final image look seamless. Now you can see the difference. It's not about making thumbnails look fancy. It's about making thumbnails that actually get clicked. Once you have a faster, more reliable way to create them, everything changes. You spend less time guessing and more time publishing. That's exactly why I use tools like this in my own workflow, so I can focus on ideas and execution instead of getting stuck on the thumbnail every time. And when thumbnails stop slowing you down, staying consistent feels effortless. Because on YouTube, the creators who show up consistently win.